Hello everyone, Timani. Today I'm going to take you through a list of disgusting things that can be done by men. If you do any of these things, you are disgusting and you deserve to be with Umphakathi for 10 minutes. Umphakathi needs to deal with you for 10 minutes. If you do any of these things, I'm going to list 5 today. Let's jump into it. If you are a man and you are a male bestie, you are a loser, bruv. And you need to be dealt with umphakathi. I want to say umphakathi itaya around your neck and 5 liters of petrol. They can just a young configuration of your mindset, a young reset, default settings to you. If you are a male bestie, you are at the bottom of the barrel and it's disgusting, my nigga. Stop it. Because a male bestie, you are waiting for weakness in a woman. The only time you can be a male bestie, you can be a male bestie for 2 days. Third day, bamba ibele. You are a male bestie. Today, you're okay, sharp. Get to know her. Second day, you get closer. Maybe you go, guys, do something fun together. On the third day, bamba ibele. No, you understand. No, she's close to her. Blah, blah. If you have intentions about her and Fetu, you make it clear. But if you don't have intentions, if you have wait. If you're a male based and you have intentions and you stick around and wait for her boyfriend to make a mistake and then you jump in, you are bottom of the barrel and you are nothing, you are scum and you deserve 10 minutes, 12 minutes nomphakathi. For cholo, everything. 10 minutes. Male based. Number 2. Just slowly. Not getting a plate emqembeni. My nigga, if you don't get a plate emqembeni and a man and telling people, so sorry mama, angitholanga iplate mina, angidlanga, angithola. Ya, sasikwathini?